man. We should get out of here. The building's on fire.
Hey, pal, not now. I'm busy. Anyway, I'll tell you what's on fire. My urethra. That's the last time I go to a water park, I'll tell you that much. Plus, the truth is, the kid... Oh, my God. I was the chatty guy.
Why don't we all go ahead and turn to page 6 in the handout. The first thing you're going to notice is a bar graph. And what that is to indicate our international sales. Each peaked, of course, during the last to drop off as we enter the colder weather.
The storm's moving away.
Fair ball! Run, Peter! Run it out!
Peter's brain.
Yeah, this is the muscle department. What the hell is he doing?
He's trying to sprint.
Has he had any water?
No, he told his wife there's juices in the hot dogs.
Well, I'm sorry. I got no choice but to call for a complete muscle failure.
I want you to put me in the booth. I want to feel like a person for a second.
Oh, yeah, sure, no problem. All right, Quagmire, you do upper, I'll do lower.
Sure, let's do it.
Wow, thanks, guys. Uh-oh.
Guys, put him back up. I just thought of something. This is gonna be a blast.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God, this is embarrassing. I'm so sorry. It's been like 500 years. This is your big moment, and I'm ruining it.